everyone, my name is Sabrina Melodieuse. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we have an exciting box to open. Yeah! It is from the Knitting Network. Yes, of course, it is a very exciting place. I went onto this site to buy 2 items, so I know that looks big, but I got a lot of the 2 items, particularly 1 item. And I will discuss this with you right now. I'm going to pre-open the box and I'll be right back. I am back and I've opened the box. Yes. Because we don't like to open. It takes time, makes noise. So let's try and reduce that if possible. So I've opened and now I can show you. And I do have 2 items in mind for this box. The first item is I was working on a beautiful blanket and I thought, you know, I might not have enough yarn to make this blanket, so I frogged it all. It's all gone, and the yarn is back into being balls of yarn now, 3 of them. And I thought, well, if I don't have enough, what I will do is I will do a few rounds in the rose, then a few rounds in the cream, then back to the rose, then cream, then rose, cream, and so on and so forth. Well, then I had a thought, well, let's try and look online for more of that yarn somewhere. There's bound to be someplace, yes? So I just put, Signet Everyday Pateau DK, and I put the color rose in the search bar, and you will never guess who came up. The Knitting Network. So I went onto it, and there on it said at the time there's 5 balls left. So I thought, okay, great, I'll get them all. And I just hit myself in the face. Why? I don't know. The things we do. So anyway, I put that into my basket. And then I thought, well, since I'm on to Knitting Network, I'll look for something else, which is in here. But I'll discuss that shortly, because I just want to finish that part now. So anyway, so I was shopping on there for about 5 minutes or so. And then I went to, I clicked on the basket and check out. Then something red flashed up and said, there is not enough, no. How did I put that? I can't remember. The amount of yarn that I ordered, which was 5, apparently there weren't 5 anymore. So I checked to see, well, how much is there left? Because apparently someone else has ordered some. So I looked at it and I saw there's 4 left. I thought, oh, okay, fine. I'll do it now, quick, before someone else beats me to it. And so here's the box now, and I have my 4 balls of yarn, which I will show you. So, oh, let me show you what we see when we open the box, which is so nice and just beautiful. Yes. Look at this. Now you know what I ordered in its entirety. You see how beautiful this is? Beautiful size. Anyway, so the 4 balls of yarn that I ordered, here they are. So now I will definitely have more than enough to do this blanket for a wonderful friend of mine who I work with on a Wednesday. So this is Pateau Everyday DK, and the color is rose. Now I have a problem with that name of color, because this is pretty much showing the color that it is in real life. Like it's not real life. It is real life, but you know what I mean. On the camera sometimes, well, a lot of the time, especially in this room, colors look completely different. But today, for some reason, this is showing true to color. And Is that rose? No, that's more like a lilac or even like a lavender color. That reminds me of a field of lavender, or perhaps something else, you know, that color. But it does not look like a rose to me, which should be like a pink. Yes, like a light pink. This is not rose, this is lilac, people. Huh? Get this right, Yarny people. Come on, Signet. Just saying, because this is not rose. But anyway, it does not matter, because it's still a beautiful color. And so now that I have 4 here, and I have 4 I used the 3, but I frogged it all. But I have 1 more after that, so I've got 4 plus 4, so that's 8. And I'm pretty sure that's much more than I need to finish the blanket. So I am ecstatic. There's no more of that color now, though, at least for a while. But yes, I'm ecstatic that I got some more. No, it's just amazing. So anyway, oh, and if you're wondering, it is a beautiful blanket that I am making, but I want to show this work in progress in my next Yarny chat. So hold tight, I will tell you what pattern I'm using. But if you want to know now, head over to my last Yarny chat, because I'm talking about it. So go ahead and watch that, even if it's just to see what pattern it is. You can scroll in my a description box, and you will find the person who is the designer and their link to their pattern in Ravelry. So you can go now, if you want, check out the pattern and person. Okay? Or come back and I will discuss this with you next week. And the second item is from our beautiful Darla, my beautiful yarnicist. Hello, beautiful Darla. I know that for a lot of people, not just you, Darla, but a lot, I am still trying to catch up watching videos, and it's just something that I have, you know, a problem with my anxiety at this point and other things that are going on. But I aim to catch up. But anyhow, Darla has a beautiful shawl that ticks all the boxes for me. Texture, color, bubbles, fun, beautiful. It is a exciting shawl to make, and in fact I will show you now, and if I remember I will try and link the tutorial, because it is oh, my phone is going crazy now. Of course it is, because I'm recording. What was I saying? I don't even remember what I was saying. I don't know. What was I saying? I wish I could rewind now and see what I'm talking about. Oh, there is a tutorial for this beautiful shawl by, of course, beautiful Darla. I'm so sorry, everyone. I just got really distracted here. It's called X's and O's Shawl. Oh, I am beyond excited about it, everyone. So, oh yes, that's what I was saying. I will link this tutorial in the description box below. Please check it out. It is absolutely amazing. Once you've done the setup rows, after that it's a 2-row repeat. That's it, 2 rows. Just amazing. And I'm just, yeah, I'm bursting now to start with it, and I've got the yarn. So, so here it is. This is the shawl. It's called X's and O's shawl, and this is how it looks. Isn't that amazing? Yeah, and I know that Darla has got a different yarn to me, but she got it from the Knitting Network. So I think this is meant to be for me to make. And also I got the yarn from Knitting Network, which is amazing. So anyhow, the next yarn I want to show you was on a very special sale. Now I'm gonna say it was roughly around, I can't even remember, but it was very, very reduced. So I know I won't use all 10 of them because I got 10. I won't need all 10. But at the price it was, how could I resist it? And then I thought, when it's done, then I might be able to do a couple of blankets for babies or something like that anyway. And it's just too gorgeous to not take. So I got them. Look at this. I got 10 of those. They are all the same colorway, all of them, and I don't care. I'm happy with that. Just they look a bit different because how they are wound, you know, with the colors. I'll show you. So I have some arc yarn, that's what it's called. Each are 100 grams and they are DK. 100 grams DK. What else can I tell you? So with that you use a 4mm needle and 4mm hook size, and also this is the color 008. It's called Holiday. That's great. Holiday, 100% acrylic, pretty sure. What else? What else do we have? Yes, 100% acrylic, approximately 360 meters or 393 yards. I think that's what I saw. I'll show you the label. There. So where's the yardage? There. Okay, and it is arc yarn. And what else can I show you? 100 grams, and it is a DK. So okay, and oh, the colorway is Holiday, and this is the color here, and I love it. Now this is, I'm very lucky today because this is very true to real life again. Yes, we're back to saying real life. Is this the real life? Is this just fantasy? So the pinks, and then like a cream here, green, yellow, pink, 2 different shades of pinks. So that is amazing. And then you look at the others and you will see that they are wound differently. Same colors, but there you are. See? Wound differently. There's 2 different shades of green as well. And then there's another one where the center is like that. And another one, the center is like this. So that's 4. But I have another 6, which is amazing. Look at that pack. That is beautiful. Is it not? Can't even speak. Is it not beautiful to see? Look at that. Da, 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 da. Yeah. Yes, I know I'm a very childish person. We should all know that by now. I am like a woman child still, but that's okay. I've been criticized for it a lot. For acting like a child sometimes. But hey, you know, sometimes you gotta have fun, yeah? So anyhow, so no, that's amazing. I love that. And this, so yeah, I am really buzzing with excitement to begin on this beautiful, beautiful shawl by Darla. Yeah, and also to finish the blanket for my very good friend and colleague at work. She has no idea I'm making this for her, but I really want to make it, and I hope she will like it because the blanket pattern is just amazing. Yes. So yeah, I hope you are curious enough to go and check out a previous video. It is my last Yarny chat, so check it out. And even if it's just to look at the description box to see, well, what pattern is she talking about? What designer is she talking about? Go ahead and check this out. You will not be disappointed. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna start crocheting the shawl, and I will show my work in progress very soon in my next Yarny chat. I'm excited. I'm excited. Honestly, I just can't wait. So, okay, I'm gonna go now. Wish you all a wonderful day. Hopefully, lots of knitting and crochet for everybody. And also want to take the opportunity to thank you all for being here, watching, liking, commenting, subscribing or not. That's not obligatory at all. But yes, thank you all for being here, because it always means the world to me. And oh yeah, before I go, I want to remind you all that I have a giveaway on at this point. So check it out, because it's still on. And if you want to win what's in this box here, this is the box. If you want to win what's inside, if you want to find out what's in here, head over to the video. I will try and link it in the description box below. And enter. Yes, enter. You can if you want to. Okay, thank you everyone for watching. And until the next time, happy knitting and crochet everyone.